it as a commission. यहाँ पे भी commission लिखेंगे, यहाँ पे भी commission लिखेंगे. Then you just identify if it is written on the debit side, it means it is an expenditure. If it is written on the credit side, it means it is an income, because commission is also percolates the nature of nominal account. Now here we are having the sundry debtors. कल हमने एक और उसका नाम देखा था. What is the alternate name for the sundry debtors? Can anyone tell me? Can you tell me the another name for sundry debtors? Yeah, just yesterday we have solved one problem with the same nomenclature. You know guys, accounts जितना हम जल्दी सीखते हैं ना, उतना जल्दी भूल भी जाते हैं. So this is the reason why we should invest on 2 or 3 questions. Though we may feel it as a repetitive, but this is the main reason why we should invest time on it. So sundry debtors का alternate name क्या है? जल्दी बताइए मुझे. Yesterday
Accounts receivable.
Exactly. For sundry debtors, we may call it as an account receivable. Same way, what is the name for creditors?
Accounts payable.
Accounts payable. Okay, so sundry debtors will appear on the asset side balance sheet. Now what about salaries? क्या है salaries?
Expenditure.
Ma'am, expenditure.
It's an expenditure and it will appear on the P&L account. Now wages, again
Expenditure.
expenditure. Carriage outward. On the first lecture itself, we have discussed about carriage rate inward and outward. So what is a carriage outward?
Expenditure.
Yes, it's an expenditure. All expenditure will appear on the P&L. Rent क्या है भाई?
Expenditure.
Expenditure. Advertisement.
Expenditure.
Expenditure. You are spending money to promote your product. It will appear on the P&L debit side. Cash.
Asset side.
It's an asset.
Asset side.
Maybe at your bank, or cash maybe in the locker of your business. It is in your asset. Capital.
Liability.
Liability.
And a liability. Sales.
Profit and loss credit side.
Ma'am, income.
That's income. Purchase returns.
Reduction.
क्या है purchase return?
Reduction.
Minus from purchase.
Exactly. आवाज इतना बारीक क्यों आ रहा है? You are absolutely correct. The purchase return should be deducted from purchases. Absolutely right, beta. Purchase return should be deducted from the purchases. So we have already discussed about discounting and creditor. And finally, say hi to that pillow and please turn off the audio. And finally, you may have observed the trial balance is matching. The total of the debit side is exactly equal to the total of credit side, and out of which we are going to prepare the P&L account to derive whether there is a profit or loss, and then we will transfer this profit to the balance sheet here itself, and then we will understand the size of business. So are we ready to solve this problem? Any questions on the nomenclature of these elements? ये क्या है, ये क्या है, ऐसा कुछ question है आपको? Any doubt, guys?
No, ma'am.
पक्का?
No, ma'am.
Shall we solve now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn off this sharing and I will share one Excel sheet before you. So those who are solving it on a laptop can also open the Excel sheet. Those who are having the lecture On the mobile phones, please take out your notebooks because we are going to actually solve in the notebook itself. Matlab, if you are on a mobile phone, no need to worry about it. So I hope guys you have already taken out the printout of the booklet. So it will become handy
Yes,
to
ma'am.
solve, right? So now what we are going to do, I am going to copy this format itself जो कल हमने बनाया था ना P&L and balance sheet का. So वो format headings column के as it is मैं copy कर रही हूँ for problem number 2. Let's extend the column width. Okay, guys, are you done with the formatting of the Excel sheet? Or those who
Yes,
are
ma'am.
solving in it in the notebook, are you done with the drawing the format of profit and loss account and balance sheet? Are you done, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then, chalo, let's start. First, we were having plant and machinery of 70,000, right? So we have already discussed it should be the part of balance sheet. So let's write it on the asset side amounting to total 70,000. Okay, are you done with the recording of plant and machinery on the asset side?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next item is furniture amounting to 20,000, and as we have already discussed, it will be the part of asset side amounting to 20,000. Let me increase the font little bit. So on the asset side, we have recorded plant and machinery and furniture amounting to 20,000. Now let's go to the next thing, that is purchases. But we are very much aware that purchases are also having purchase return. So on the P&L account, मैंने कल ही आपको बताया, it will always start with the opening stock, then it will have purchases. But it is also having the purchase return. So what we will do, we will write the amount of purchases into the inner column. The current purchases are amounting to 60,000. So let's write purchase value into the inner column amounting to 60,000. Are you done with the entry beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we are having sales returns, but these are sales return. and we have noted over there that sales return should be deducted from the sales. So let's make an entry of sales first, but we don't know the amount, just write it as a sales. Then let's deduct by sales return. And what is the value of sales return? It's 3,000. So let me put it as 3,000, but write it into the interim column, because in the outer column we will write the net figure. Are you done? Shall I
Yes,
go to the
ma'am.
next element?
Yes, ma'am.
The next element is about opening stock. We have already mentioned the opening stock on the debit side of P&L. So let's just write 30,000 into the outer column on the P&L side. That is 30,000. Okay. Now let's go to the next thing, that is discount paid. Why I'm saying paid? Because it's on the debit side. So let's keep 2 to 3 lines blank and let's write discount, which is amounting to 425 rupees. Are you done with the entry of the discount?
Yes, ma'am.
सब लोग कर रहे हैं ना, या सिर्फ भक्ति रस का ग्रहण कर रहे हैं?
No, ma'am. Sir.
No, ma'am.
No,
We are
ma'am.
solving.
Doing
कर
it.
रहे हैं मैम.
Everyone is doing ना?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Doing it.
ओके नहीं, एक ही आवाज बार बार सुनाई दिया ना, वैरायटी नहीं सुनाई दी, इसलिए मुझे लगा कि चलो आज शाम को मैडम का कीर्तन भजन ही सुन ले.
No, ma'am. We are noting everything.
See guys, you don't have to be serious at all in my lecture. You can crack a jokes also, no problem. Just only humble request is always be an inquisitive person. Do you know what do you mean by inquisitive? Or is it a new word for you? Do you understand what do you mean by inquisitive?
No, ma'am.
Inquisitive, it's a very, very interesting word. We should be always inquisitive. Maybe you can find it on your Google Uncle after our lecture.
Showing interest on learning things.
Exactly. The person
Yes, I googled it.
the person who believes on continuous learning or showing interest in learning always, मतलब वो enjoy भी कर रहा है ना, तो वो उससे भी कुछ सीख रहा है. You know guys, even enjoyment is an art. हर किसी को नहीं जमता. कोई लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और चेहरे ऐसे रखते हैं कि जैसे 10 साल की सजा दी है किसी ने. So even enjoyment is an art and you should know how to really enjoy. दारू पीना, सिगरेट पीना, this is not an art of enjoyment. Enjoyment is something different at a higher level. So मैंने आज आपको एक नया वर्ड भी सिखा दिया इंग्लिश का, inquisitive. आपके राधिका मैम से पूछ लेना असली मीनिंग. She will definitely tell you more interesting stories. Okay, now let's see the sundry debtors. कहाँ पे लिखना है sundry debtors? Of course, on the asset side, 1,40,000. I'm writing it on the outer column, 1,40,000. Are you done with this?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now we are having salaries, P&L account debit. Let's write it on the debit side of P&L account, 7,550. So after discount, let's write it as a salaries, 7,550. Are you done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
हो गया सबका?
Yes.
Two salaries, 7,550.
Yes.
And then we are having wages. Now let us understand what is the difference between the salary and wages. You know guys, कल से मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा एक क्या कहेंगे, थोड़ा 2-4 लाइंस मैंने ब्लैंक रखी. क्यों ब्लैंक रखी थी? क्योंकि इस लाइन से जो ऊपर के आइटम्स है, those are directly related to manufacture or manufacturing, and ये जो आइटम्स है पूरे नीचे वाले जो हम लिखने वाले हैं, those are expenses incurred for supportive services. सपोर्टिव सर्विसेज मतलब यहाँ पे हम डिस्काउंट लिखते हैं, सैलरीज लिखते हैं, एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी लिखते हैं. These are the supportive services to achieve the targets. But इस सेक्शन में जो हम लिखते हैं, अगर ये नहीं है, then there will be no manufacturing at all, and also there will be no need of any supportive expenses also. So whatever we are recording about expenditure or income which is directly related to manufacturing, so this upper part will be called as trading account, and the lower part is actually called as P&L account. But nowadays, in commonly we call P&L account as if for both. But if you go to the history, if you go to the old books of accounting, you will find the two parts of P&L account as trading account, which deals with all the manufacturing related expenses and income, and the other half part is called P&L account, which deals with the supportive expenses and other income, not the actual sales. Sales and purchases will be part of trading income. So I was talking about the difference between the salary and wages. Salary and wages. You know, the labors which are directly working on the machineries, whatever the money they get in terms of salary, it is called as wages, जिसको हम कहते हैं ना blue collar job. So whatever the laborers are getting the money in terms of salary, मतलब salary paid to laborers who are directly involved in manufacturing. Directly involved in manufacturing are called wages. Is that clear? So wages will appear on the debit side of trading account. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको समझाया, तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे wages. But we have written the salaries into the lower part of the P&L account. क्यों? क्योंकि salaries, when the salaries are paid to supportive staff, सपोर्टिव स्टाफ में कौन आएगा? मार्केटिंग, जो आपके MBS के स्ट्रीम्स है ना, मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंस, HR, all those people who are not directly working on the machineries, ऐसे सारे लोगों को जब सैलरी पे की जाती है उनको कहते हैं सैलरीज. एंड द पीपल हु आर डायरेक्टली वर्किंग ऑन द मशीनरीज, उनको जब सैलरी वी पे, वी कॉल देम इट एज अ wage. Is that clear, guys? Have you understood the difference between the salary and wages?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's write wages on the trading account debit side, that is 10,000. So to wages 1 2 3 4 10,000. So now on this part I will write it as a trading account, which is the sub part of P&L account only. So let's write as a wages. Now the next item is a carriage outward. So again it is an expenditure. Let's write it on the P&L account debit side, carriage outward, amounting to 1200, 1200, amounting to 1200. What is next? Rent. कहाँ पे जाएगा? P&L debit to rent. which is amounting to again 10,000. हो गया यहाँ तक? समझ में आया पक्का?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's go to the next part. Advertisements. To advertisements, and which is amounting to 2,000. 2,000. And finally, we are having cash of 12,000. Cash है तो कहाँ पे लिखेंगे? Asset side में लिखेंगे cash 12,000. Cash 12,000 asset side पे लिखेंगे. Here we are done with the debit side. So ध्यान रखना गलती से आपने liability या ट्रेडिंग क्रेडिट में कुछ लिखा नहीं है ना. हाँ, yes, you can accept the exceptions of sales return. Definitely it will be there. Now let's go for the credit side of the trial balance. The first thing is about the capital, and the capital of rupees 2 lakhs will appear on the liability side. Capital 2 lakhs. Then we know that we always keep the space for profits. So capital 2 lakhs, and there will be the profit. Then we are having purchase returns of, we are having the sales of 1,35,000. And on the P&L account credit side, we have already mentioned sales of rupees 1,35,000. Even we have already noted the sales return of 3,000. So the final amount in the outer column will amount to 1,32,000. यहाँ तक समझ में आया बच्चों?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after recording the sales, we are also having purchase returns of 750 on, and on the debit side, we have already recorded purchases of 60,000, from which we will deduct purchase returns of 750. So on the outer column, we are having the net purchases of 59,250. 59,250. Then discount received, which is not actually directly related to the process of manufacturing. So we will record on the other part of P&L account saying by discount, which is about 800 rupees. Right? Are you done till the discounting?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
And finally,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are having creditors of 29,625. कहाँ पे जाएंगे ये creditors? Of course, on the liability side. Creditors, which are amounting to 29,625. 29,625. यहाँ तक हो गया आपका?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now guys, आज ऐसा अलग क्या सीखने वाले हैं हम इस प्रॉब्लम में? Today we are going to calculate the profit first for trading account and then finally for P&L account. Yesterday, many of the science students are preparing the P&L account and the balance sheet for the first time in a life. So I have not made their life complicated yesterday only. Let's make it complicated today. I'm just kidding. It's very easy otherwise. Now what we have to do, we are going to consider the trading account up to this line only. So first of all, we will calculate the total of debit of the trading, total of debit side of the trading account. कितना आया है इस ये total? We will just limit ourselves to the trading account first. यहाँ तक ही अब हम सोचेंगे. What is the total of debit side of trading account? जितने सेल मैंने मार्क किए हैं
250.
99,000,
250.
right? And the total of credit side is 1,32,000. Matlab, here income is definitely greater than the expenditure, whatever we have spent on the manufacturing process. Am I right? So as per the rules, जैसा कल मैंने आपको सिखाया था कि मैं एक रो इंसर्ट कर रही हूँ. As per the rule, जो बड़ी फिगर है, जिस साइड की टोटल बड़ी है, we will take that figure into the other side also. So here credit side is much bigger, so we have just copied the total of the credit side on the debit side also, and let's calculate the balance. 1,32,000 minus sum of the debit side, and we come to know that there is a profit on the trading account, and what we pronounce, what we call the profit of the trading account, we call it as a gross profit. Why gross profit? Because it's a profit on the manufacturing activity. That is the reason we call it as a gross profit. Now, yes, any question, beta?
Ma'am, pardon me.
Huh?
Can you repeat that calculation once again?
Yeah, sure. What we have done, the total of credit side is bigger than the total of debit side. Only for trading account. We are talking only for the trading account.
Yes.
इसके ऊपर ही हम बात कर रहे हैं. So what we have done, we have dragged. We have taken the same one total of credit side to the total of debit side also. And then we found the balancing figure. कैसे किया? C13 जिसमें क्रेडिट साइड की टोटल है, उसमें से हमने डेबिट साइड की टोटल माइनस कर दी.
Okay.
In simple
Credit
words,
से debit
we
minus
have,
करना है.
हाँ, in simple words, we have deducted all the total of expenses from the income. Why? Because our expenses are smaller than income. So ultimately we have derived the gross profit. Why we are calling it as a gross profit? As it is a profit on manufacturing activities. But here we are also noticing there are some expenses for the supportive departments also. And when we will deduct these expenses, we will come to know what is the net profit from the business. So how we can calculate the net profit? Now we will transfer this gross profit to the lower part of the P&L account by just posting it to the opposite side by saying gross profit. And मतलब अभी यहाँ तक तो काम हो गया, ये अकाउंट अभी बंद हुआ. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट का ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट है, we have shifted it to the lower part of the P&L account. And now we will start comparing the profit of the only lower part. अभी ऊपर का we will not consider क्योंकि ये gross profit हमने already transfer कर दिया. Now what we will do, again we will compare the total of debit side with the total of credit side. So guys, can you tell me what is the total of debit side? इसकी total कितनी आई?
21,175.
Absolutely right, beta. The total is 21,175. And now tell me what is the total of credit side? 33,550. 550. It means again income is greater than the expenditure amounting to the profit. It means the total of credit side is greater than the total of debit side. Clear? Now again we will follow the same rule. We will take the total of credit side on the debit side. And now we will calculate the balance. कैसे balance निकालेंगे? 33,550 minus sum of debit side. And here we come to know about net profit. This is to net profit. So finally, what is the profit from your balance sheet? I mean P&L account. It's 12,375. कल के प्रॉब्लम में, as we were doing it for the first time, कल के प्रॉब्लम में हमने directly loss निकाला था. But the actual method is to calculate first gross profit or gross loss, then transfer it to the lower part of the P&L account, and then calculate the net profit of the business. You may ask me, ma'am, what is the reason behind calculating the gross profit and net profit? The simple reason is, if your manufacturing expenses are much more greater than your manufacturing income, तो आपको ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट के लेवल पे ही पता चलता है whether you are running the institution at gross profit or gross loss. अगर आपके बिजनेस में नेट प्रॉफिट तक जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती, मतलब इफ यू आर इनकरिंग द लॉसेस एट ऑपरेशनल लेवल ओनली, मतलब आप पूरा का पूरा बिजनेस लॉस में ही चला रहे हो. If you are at loss at operational level only, it means you are incurring losses. You don't have to scrutinize your books for evaluating your supportive expenses. So make sure, even if it is your startup, you should be at the profitable positions at the operational level only. अगर यहाँ पे आपको operational level पे if you are incurring losses, you are doing something big mistake. Always remember, even if you are a startup, make sure at operational level you should always have profits. क्योंकि supportive expenses की वजह से अगर loss हो रहा है, you can easily convert it to the profit by curtailing further expenses. But if you are at loss at operational level, it is very hard, difficult to convert gross losses into the gross profit. So this is the tip of today. Now what we have to do? Now we will transfer this profit to the balance sheet. सही बात है, चलो लाते हैं. ट्रांसफर किया. Now let's see whether the magic is working for us or no. Yeah, it's working. Let's take the total of the assets and the liability. As we said, as we have done, the total of assets and liability is matching. It means our posting is correct. If it is not matching, what if it is not matching? It means you have done some wrong posting from the trial balance. Guys, if you have done some wrong posting from the balanced trial balance, then remember you are going to lose some marks. Always make sure your final accounts asset is matching with the liability. Is that clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any questions? आज थोड़ा आपको easy लगा होगा. Just we have introduced new concept of gross profit. That is that just a new thing for today. And tomorrow we are going to discuss about the adjustments in final accounts. So any questions, guys?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Fantastic, fantastic. I hope. Yes, go on.
Ma'am, could you share the recorded videos?
Please ask the IT guy, because
Okay.
I don't have the access of sharing the videos and all. Okay.
Okay.
So what you can do is you can request Anand sir. So
Okay,
he can give you the guideline whom to call and how to get the videos. I am not having any idea about it.
Okay, sure.
But yes, the videos are recording because we are having the sign of red dot.
Yes, yes.
So probably you will get it. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank.
Now I'm going to discuss about homework. खड़ूस हूँ इसलिए इकोनॉमिक्स को भी होमवर्क देती हूँ, मैनेजरियल अकाउंट्स को भी होमवर्क मिलेगा ही आपको. You may call me as खड़ूस teacher, no problem. I will be more than happy if you get good marks due to my Khadoosness. So now homework is, I have solved already problem number 3. You just have to solve the first 2 problems of the booklet. Can you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we have already discussed all the items of problem number 1 and problem number 2. So I have already solved problem number 3. We have even prepared the P&L and balance sheet with the help of final accounts problem of problem number 1 and problem number 2. So till tomorrow, you have to solve the first 2 problems of the booklet. Is that
मैम
clear?
सेकंड वाला
Yeah,
भी
yeah.
हमने सॉल्व किया है.
सेकंड वाला भी हो गया हमारा. अरे यार क्यों किया? चलो अच्छा है फिर. Just solve problem number 1.
ओके.
Okay. ठीक है guys. So tomorrow let's solve. No. Let's understand the various adjustments to the final accounts. और वो adjustments ना हमें रट्टा मारकर कल ही ध्यान में रखनी है, क्योंकि अगर वो एडजस्टमेंट हमारा रट्टा मारकर ध्यान मतलब इफ वी मैनेज टू रिमेम्बर इट, देन वी हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट 20 on 20 मार्क्स. तो मैं कल आपको लॉजिक बिहाइंड एडजस्टमेंट सिखाऊंगी और 10 बार इन क्लासरूम, जैसे बच्चे छोटे बच्चे जूनियर केजी के बच्चे रट्टा मारते हैं ना, वैसे हम मिल के रट्टा मारेंगे ऑनलाइन हर एक एडजस्टमेंट के इफेक्ट का. करोगे?
Yes.
बाद में आपको मतलब
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, सोचने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, क्योंकि आपका कंसेप्ट भी क्लियर होगा और आपको वो याद भी रहेगी एडजस्टमेंट. सो देयर इज नो अल्टरनेटिव फॉर रट्टा मार टेक्निक इन केस ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग द एडजस्टमेंट्स. Surprisingly, today we are done. We have solved the problem at a very faster rate than expected. So still we have 10 minutes. So what we can do now? Should we take a break? Or do you want to share your views? Because so many days you are attending the lecture, and I'm also eager to get honest feedbacks from you. So how you are finding the lectures? Are they helpful for you, or are they are you feeling the lecture is quite monotonous? What are you thinking? Don't worry, I'm not judgmental.
Lectures are quite interesting, but I am forgetting things. That's the main issue.
Okay, you are forgetting things. So
Means,
मतलब जब आप अटेंड करते हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ समझ में आ रहा है. And when you sit alone,
yes.
you just
That
thought,
time
oh my God, what I am looking at. Am I right? तो इसके लिए आप ये कर सकते हो कि जो मैं कॉलेज में करती थी, आई यूज टू फेस द सेम ट्रबल. जब तक टीचर सामने है तब तक ऐसा लगता है कि सब आ रहा है मुझे. सो आई यूज टू टेक नोट्स इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट, इवन इफ यू आर अटेंडिंग से मार्केटिंग और HR. मैं नोट्स लेते रहती थी when the teacher is speaking. So that helps us to remember the things in the longer duration. Take always notes.
Oh, that's why I am asking for recorded sessions. And also, I missed morning sessions because I'm working in night. So
Achha.
that's
Okay.
yes.
So you are not attending the morning
No,
OB
no.
and
I
DNS.
no. Actually, 6 a.m. At 6 a.m. my shift is ending. So
Okay.
then sleepy. That's it.
Quite natural. It's quite natural, and it is obvious because somewhat you are running in the opposite direction of the nature. So it's quite natural. Just make a call to Anand sir. He will guide. He will definitely give you guidelines. No problem at all. Anything else, guys? You want to ask? Hello.
No, ma'am.
By the way, if we are having 9 minutes of leisure time, as we have solved a problem in a very earlier target. So just one by one, can you give me the introduction by turning on your cameras, because I have not seen you since the college has been started, and which is not very normal scenario, because once the college gets start, once the lecture gets start, I have always enjoyed the long discussions with all my students. So can we have your introduction in quick?
Yes.
Go on, Akshita. Yeah, just give your introduction so we can. Yes, Akshita. You are not audible. Please unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, Akshita. You are not still audible. Yes, Akshita. Go on.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. I hope you are enjoying the lectures, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Akshata. It's nice to see you, all my buddies, all my children. I am actually missing all this kind of classroom environment, you know. Roshni.
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
Roshni. Hi, how are you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Advice? Yes, Advait. Bhagya.
नहीं नहीं हूँ. Good evening.
Good evening. Where
Rajbhai.
do you work?
At Global Step as a tester.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Advait.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Deepali. जितना हो सके उतने लोगों से आज मैं जरूर मिलूंगी, because we have time, little bit. We have time. So Deepali.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Juveria here.
Zaveria, nice to have a talk with you. We are not able to see you because, anyways,
Acha, you want to see me?
of course, everyone is giving the introduction. We are clearly missing the classroom environment. Don't you miss?
No.
You don't miss the classroom environment.
I enjoy it.
You're enjoying at home. Okay.
Yeah, love it actually.
Acha. Okay, Neha.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening. I hope you can see me.
Yes, Neha. Tell me about yourself. You're very sincere and very attentive. I have noticed it.
No, I'm just trying to learn to get good marks. Let me give you a quick introduction about myself. I'm Neha Rajput, and I'm currently working in Siemens. So it is difficult to catch everything along with the work, but I'm
True.
trying. Sometimes economics में थोड़ा सा hard जाता है. Like in morning lecture, sometimes it is difficult to understand each and every graph and all. But I'm trying. So that's all from my side.
I really appreciate your efforts, because guys, you are working. I know when you're working from home, you may work for more than 9 hours also. So still you all guys are very attentive, and this perseverance only give you the result. You know, guys, perseverance is very much necessary. So remember, 2 साल थोड़ी तकलीफ होगी, but that तकलीफ will pay you in terms of joy, in terms of increments, and in terms of one pride feeling. I would like to share one story. In the last year, we were having one fellow from the operations department, and he has done the specialization in the operations only. You know, guys, he used to work in the third shift at factory, and then he used to come to the college, and उसको थोड़ा हमने adjust करके उसके लिए कुछ जो difficult subject है, मतलब उसका जिसमें specialization नहीं था, वो सब्जेक्ट्स हमने सेकेंड हाफ में रखे थे, so he can have the sound sleep in the morning and then he can attend the actual lecture in the class. And now he has cleared MBA with 70% and he's promoted to the manager, and now he's working right now, working from home due to the COVID, but he has got a location of Germany. So just remember your perseverance. Your perseverance is going to help you, is going to pay you. थोड़ी तकलीफ होगी, हाँ जरूर होगी, and this is my personal मतलब experience also. Even I have done MA economics when I was working in MNC. So मुझे पता है कितनी तकलीफ होती है. कभी कभी टीचर भी असाइनमेंट सबमिशंस एंड ऑल वजह से आप पर थोड़ा गुस्सा भी हो सकते हैं if you have not submitted the assignments on time, but it's okay, it's a part of क्या कहते हैं, it's a part of journey. We need to solve it, we have to take it in a very positive way. थोड़ा गुस्सा भी हो गए तो 2-4 दिन मांग के सबमिट कर लेना. ऐसा नहीं है कि भाग जाना है आपको. Just ask for 2 days, 1 day, but try to submit it on a time and enjoy the journey of MBA. That's it. I want to tell you that. Anything else you want to share, guys? Just we have 2 more minutes to go. Anything else you want to share? I'm really happy today because at some point I'm having interaction with you all, guys. So anything you want to share? Because in online lectures normally there is no discussion among or interaction among the students. The teacher just goes on teaching and the students hardly get an opportunity to speak. So as if we have solved the problem before the targeted time. Anyone wants to share their views? Yes, guys, feel free, no problem. Ajay, you have joined late. Yes, Ajay. Anyway, so on this note, I am leaving this meeting. Thank you for joining, and tomorrow we are going to sit with the adjustments जो हम कल के कल ही रट्टा मारकर याद रखेंगे, because in that case only we can solve the next advanced problems of accounting. So कल कुछ भी हो जाए, सबको बोलना कुछ भी हो जाए, attend the lecture, otherwise you will not be able to solve a single problem of final accounts. Is that clear? This is a clear instruction I have given to you.
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
कल नहीं कोई अटेंड हुआ तो उसको बाद में कुछ भी समझेगा नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys, on this note, I am leaving the meeting, so you can join the next lecture.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
दूसरा 10